Ever leave Costco with a cart full of things you didn't plan to buy, wondering where all your money went? You're not alone. Costco, the land of bulk discounts and free samples, has a secret weapon for making us spend more. It's called temptation. First, there's the irresistible allure of discounted prices. That massive pack of toilet paper or the family-sized bag of snacks suddenly seems like an unbeatable deal, making it hard to resist stocking up. Then comes the impulse purchase. Walk past a tempting gourmet cheese platter or a delicious-looking bakery item, especially after a few free samples, and it's in your cart before you even realize it. Costco excels at showcasing a wide variety of goods, from electronics to home goods, often at prices you won't find elsewhere. This abundance creates a fear of missing out, pushing us to buy things we might not have considered otherwise. The sheer volume available can trick us into thinking we need more than we actually do. That 40-count box of granola bars might seem reasonable for a family, but for a single person, it's a commitment that could lead to waste if not consumed in time. So, next time you venture into the tempting aisles of Costco, remember these triggers: the deep discounts, the unexpected delights, and the sheer volume. A little awareness can go a long way in keeping your spending in check and ensuring you leave with just what you came for.